Hi, welcome back to another Christmas style. So start by putting the hair into pigtails and then you're going to do a bubble braid. So a little elastic and then just tease the hair all the way around to create your bubble. Then you're going to put in a little accessory, anything you want. I'm using a little parcel today. And then you know the ribbon that you get for presents. I thought everyone's going to have that in the house. That is what I'm using for the accessories. So I'm just tying it into the hair, using those scissors like you would like a normal present. Tie as many of these as you want into the hair. So, you know, you could go crazy with this. You could just do one, using the scissors just to kind of get that swirly bit. So it looks super cute. Then you're going to keep going down this pigtail now. So a little elastic, teasing the hair all the way around. Make sure you do that 360 to create that really nice bubble effect. And again, you're going to be tying in that ribbon using your scissors all the way down the hair. You can match it to whatever outfit that you've got on. So just showing the other side here. And I thought it'd look really cute maybe if you did kind of like multicolours, blues, reds, golds, whatever you fancy. But this is the finished results. Super cute, super easy. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.